All right, we're here live with ECW legend Terry Funk. Terry, welcome to New Jersey.
You don't know what a pleasure it is being back up here. You know, this is my stomping grounds for years, and loved it up here because these people accepted me. They accepted the wrestling that we brought them with ECW wrestling from years ago, and it's come forward, and they've got some great groups up here in this area right now, and especially up here in New Jersey. And the group I'm wrestling for right now is as good as any in the country.
It was, a great thrill for everybody to see you back, not only around the ring, but in the ring again.
I wouldn't call that in the ring.
I've had a pleasure of interviewing a bunch of guys that you've wrestled with, like the Sandman and Rhino and Striker, and and to speak to you, I mean, they all mentioned you during their interviews of the guy they look to.
That really makes me feel good, because those guys, not only did they produce great wrestling within the boundaries of the ring, they also were people that were essential to have the letters ECW remembered for as long as it is. And it just amazes me, because that was ECW people that you were talking about. And it amazes me. You hear that chant all over. You hear it in Madison Square Garden. You hear it wherever you go, And if they have WrestleMania or wherever it might be, you hear that chant, ECW. And it's something that I was proud that I was a part of. And I think that each and every person that was a part of ECW was extremely proud of the niche that we created in professional wrestling, and that niche will be remembered for hopefully longer than I am remembered.
Well, that's really all. I just wanted to get a quick talk with you. Thank you again for blessing us by being here, and I'm hoping that all today's wrestlers can learn something from your era of just the physical things that you put your body through to entertain fans.
Well, really is to tell you the truth, I'm not sure that I could be a main eventer in this group today, because they've got a lot of great athletes and a lot of great performers in the ring, and it's wrestling at a different pace than what it used to be, and it truly is.
Well, wrestling evolves. Fans look for something different.
So does Terry Funk. Wrestling gets faster and faster, and Terry Funk gets slower and slower.
It's not only you, Terry. I mean, you put your body through the ringer your whole career, so nobody's expecting you to be running around the ring, catching up with these guys, half of these guys. So,
well, I'd love to be there. I'd love every minute of it.
I thank you for your time. Happy Easter.
Thank you very much.
And have a safe trip home.
You bet.
Thank you.
You've been in trouble? Keep me out of trouble.